Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria Rojas. If you are new, welcome. Today I am going to be doing just a speedy clean with me. I'm going to organize some fruits and veggies that I ordered in my fridge. And I'm also going to show you guys my new planters that I bought as well as plant them. We're going to start off really quick just by putting away the fruits and veggies that I ordered. I'm trying to get into the habit of washing them, cutting them, and putting them away. That way it's just a lot easier when it comes to serving them. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and put all these fruits away. So now I'm just gonna prep my juicing bags. I'm gonna add pineapple, spinach, and some celery. That way everything is just nice and prepped in my freezer for whenever I want to juice. Everything is ready and I don't have to make a huge mess. So lastly, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up this watermelon. This is probably gonna go by in the next 2 days. My kids absolutely love it, and now that it's been hot here, it's just a nice refreshing snack. So after I did all that prepping, I'm just putting away all the other groceries that I got. So now the fun part, we just had dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean my dining room, my kitchen, wash dishes, sweep, and mop. I also want to go ahead and wipe down my back doors because my kids touch those all the time, so they're never clean. And it's been a few weeks since I've got that done, so I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that today. I also just wanted to say that, as you guys can see, I'm just wearing something super comfy, no makeup. Not every day is a glam day for me. I do work from home, so sometimes for me, I do struggle with getting ready every single day, as in doing my makeup, doing my hair. That's something that I've struggled with. After I had my kids, I just feel like if I can get more sleep, I can get more sleep, which is a habit that eventually I do want to change. My kids are sleeping in a little bit more. They don't wake up necessarily at the time that I get up. So I feel like lately I've been having some more free time in the morning. Sometimes I clean, but now I do want to get into the routine of trying to get ready every single day, or at least a few more days out of the week. If you're somebody that struggles with that, you're not alone. Sometimes it's hard because I know I'm not leaving my house, so I don't feel like I have to get ready, if that makes sense. But this is just everyday me. I'm not trying to always post videos where I'm super impressing everybody on how ready I look every single day, because I don't. Then it's reality and it's okay. So lastly, I'm going to go ahead and fold the load that I put to wash today. I try to do one load a day, that way it just doesn't accumulate. I used to do one day out of the week and I would just focus on my laundry all that day, but after having 2 kids, it's just a lot of laundry that piles up after a week, so it no longer worked. So now I'm just trying to get into the habit of one load a day. But here I wanted to show you guys my new planters. They're so pretty. I got these at Marshall's. They were a very good price. I got 2 sets of each. I just mix matched the colors because I could not get the same color in both. But the smaller one was $19.99 and the bigger one was $34.99. You guys are gonna see the other ones right now that I plant after these. Same thing, it's just the bigger one's brown, the smaller one's white. And I thought they were super affordable. They're ceramic, they're very heavy, and they looked really pretty after I planted them. In the bigger pots, I planted what's called an elephant ear, and in the smaller one, I planted a hosta, and don't they just look so pretty? To end my day, I just made myself a juice, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!